Full body makeover. Make yourself completely different in 2025. With a full body makeover, you transform your entire body into your vision of a better you. To reach your main goal, you have to exercise most muscle groups and eat healthy. To highlight your new figure, you could try out a new look. In order to stay motivated, you need to have a game plan with realistic goals, adopt a workout regimen, and have a healthy lifestyle. This way, your hard work will pay off for the long term. This video contained 4 parts: organizing your makeover goals, working out regularly, changing your look, adopting healthy habits. Write up a plan of action. Make a note of what you need to do in order to reach each goal. For example, in order to meet your weekly weight loss target, you'll need to figure out how many calories you need to burn each day based on your height and current weight. If you want to improve your smile, make an appointment with your dentist for a checkup, improved hygiene tips, and a treatment plan if necessary. Set up a reward system. Every time you meet a goal on your makeover list, treat yourself to something nice. For example, after you've lost your first 1 pound, 0.45 kilograms, you might take a few hours of me time to watch your favorite movie. After 5 pounds, 2.3 kilograms, maybe a shopping trip is in order. This positive reinforcement will make you less likely to lose interest in your game plan. See your doctor. Do this before starting a workout or changing your diet. Talk to them about your goals. Bring a copy of your action plan so they can look over it and let you know if you need to change anything. You could even ask if they can refer you to a personal trainer if you need that extra shot of motivation. Keep an exercise journal. Reflect on how you feel after each workout session. Keep track of each improvement you notice. Every lifted mood and every extra minute you can run without getting winded is something to celebrate. Read your entries at the end of the week. This will make you look forward to your next workout. Exercise at least 5 days a week. Start out with moderate cardio for 30 minutes each day. Work up to 3 days of intense cardio and 2 days of moderate to intense strength training. When your current routine starts to feel too easy, increase your intensity to the point where you can just make it. Keep building to avoid plateaus in your progress. Do cardio. Cardio helps to build your endurance, burn fat, and make your heart stronger. If you go to the gym, you can choose from treadmills, exercise bikes, and a variety of ellipticals. Ellipticals typically let you burn more calories, let you work at a variety of intensities, and are gentler on your knees. If the gym isn't for you, make time to power walk and jog in the park, the mall, or around your neighborhood. Work your core. Keep your core muscles strong to support your posture and overall spinal health. This muscle group consists of your upper abs, lower abs, obliques, and back muscles. Strengthen your legs. Strong legs allow you to walk and run longer and faster. Your major leg muscles are your quadriceps, front of your thighs, your hamstrings, back of the upper leg, and your calves. Exercise your arms. Your arms consist of your deltoids, shoulders, biceps, and triceps, back of your arm. You need strong arms for everyday tasks like lifting and carrying objects. Change your skincare regimen. If you've been using the same regimen for several years, it could be time for a change. Maybe your acne-prone skin isn't producing the amount of oil it once did. Maybe the skin on your neck is starting to sag. Maybe you're noticing more breakouts than usual. These are signs that you need to change your facial cleanser, moisturizer, mask, and other elements in your skincare regimen. A few helpful ideas include treating sagging skin wrinkles with products containing hyaluronic acid, treating acne with products containing tea tree oil, reviving dull skin with an exfoliating cleanser. Discover your season. Visit a color analyst or take an online quiz to find out whether you're a spring, summer, autumn, or winter. In this analysis, you'll discover the warmth or coolness of your skin undertones. Once you know this info, you'll know which makeup and clothing colors work best for you. Try new makeup tricks. Use your new skincare regimen and knowledge of your season to try something new with your makeup. Use colors that complement your natural undertones. Maybe you're a summer, but your foundation better suits a winter. If you suffer from acne, rosacea, or other reddening of the skin, try green concealer to cancel out the red. Update your wardrobe. Now that you know which colors to rock and which ones to avoid, it'll be easier to buy new clothes. No need to break the bank. You can buy fabulous outfits in charity shops for a fraction of department store prices. Take at least 4 hours to find outfits that will do your makeover justice. Shop at brick-and-mortar stores so that you can try on the clothes before buying them. Get your hair cut or trimmed. Thumb through your favorite magazine, or browse online for the latest styles. Take the pictures of your favorite styles to the salon. If you have trouble deciding, ask your hairdresser to help. Ask if they have imaging software available so that you can try on a new do before you commit. Color your hair if you want. It's natural to want to try out a new hair color during a full-body makeover. Start with something subtle that works with your face shape. Eat a balanced diet. Eat plenty of whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and plant proteins. Protein sources will keep you full and maintain your muscles for your workout. Whole grains are rich in heart-healthy fiber. Fruits and vegetables, especially leafy greens, lower your risk of a variety of illnesses. Since vitamin B12 is usually absent from plant and animal foods, ask your doctor about taking a supplement. Drink plenty of water. Water can help keep your skin clear and fight food cravings. When you're working out, you need more than the typical 64 fluid ounces, 1.89 liters of water each day. How much depends on your height, weight, and workout intensity. Talk to your doctor to figure out how much you should be drinking. And there you have it, your complete guide to a full-body makeover. Remember, this journey is about more than just appearances. It's about embracing your best self, inside and out. Celebrate every small win, stay consistent, and never forget that true transformation comes from within. You've got this, and the best version of you is already shining through. Until next time, stay confident, stay radiant, and keep slaying your goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Share this with someone who's ready for their glow-up journey, and let's keep spreading the positivity. See you in the next one.